So hello and welcome back to another tutorial series of PNG Maths exam solutions. On this episode number 2, we'll be discussing Grade 12 Advanced Maths Exam Paper 1, 2016, and we'll be focusing on question number 5 to 6. So let's begin. Now let's have a look at question number 5. Here the question is asking us to find the magnitude of the vector A, given as 3i plus 4j. So all we need to do to answer this question is to find the square root of the sum of I component squared plus j component squared. So in this case, we should have square roots of the sum of 3 squared plus 4 squared should give us 5. Hence our answer should be C. So let's have a look at question number 2. Here the question is asking us to convert the angle measure radians to degrees, provided that the radian angle is 3 pi over 4. So the first thing that we should keep in mind is that the pi radian is always equal to 180 degrees. By using this ratio and proportion concept, we can evaluate by multiplying 3 pi over 4 with 180 degrees to give us the answer. So by evaluating through, we should get our answer as 135 degrees, hence giving us an alternative as C. Finally, let's have a look at question number 7. Here the question is asking us to find the simplified form of the sum, root 45 plus root 5. Well, this is pretty much straightforward. All we need to do is to simplify the radicand of the first surd down to 3 root 5, and then add the outcome with root 5. By doing so, we should be able to get our answer as 4 root 5. Hence our answer should be B. So that concludes our tutorial for now. Thanks for watching and see you in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our tutorials.
Fire!